How to save a Claude conversation as a PDF on PC. This tutorial shows you how to install a Chrome extension to export your Claude chats directly as a PDF file. First, open Claude in your browser, and then open a new tab. After that, type in Chrome Web Store in the address bar and hit enter. From there, type in Claude to dock in the search bar inside the Chrome Web Store. At this point, look for the extension by thinksolve.com called Claude to PDF, Word, and in the next step, click on Add to Chrome at the top right corner of the page and confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once done, go back to your Claude tab and refresh the page. From here, you will now see a small window or new icons appearing at the top right corner of your Claude conversation. At this stage, click on the Export to PDF icon at the top right corner. Following that, the extension will automatically generate a PDF from your full Claude conversation. Finally, choose where you want to save the file on your computer. Click load it as a clean PDF file ready to open anytime. And that's it. If this guide helped you save your Claude conversation as a PDF, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.